See if I can creep up. I'm going to walk really slow. Just a few seconds ago, I saw 3 birds sharing the feeder. Look at them. Oh my goodness sakes. How cute is that? I'm trying to see if it's a mom feeding them. Oh no, they're eating on their own. Oh my gosh, little friggin' cuties. Oh, there goes one. Oh my gosh. So happy I got that feeder. I got it off Temu too. Good old Temu. And the curtains. My old school curtains. Well, on that note, stay sane in this crazy, crazy world we live in. Bye for now.